How did a small island become the bustling epicenter of the world? Where do the echoes of the past meet the pulsating rhythm of the future? Welcome to New York City, a place where every street, building, and corner has a story to tell. This is the city where dreams are not just born, but are brought to life through sheer will and determination. From its humble beginnings as a trading post founded by Dutch colonists to becoming the global beacon of culture, art, and innovation, New York City's journey is nothing short of miraculous. As we navigate through the vibrant energy of Times Square, the majestic heights of the Empire State Building, and the cultural sanctuary of the Guggenheim, we're not just visiting landmarks, we're stepping into the pages of history. New York City, with its indomitable spirit, has always been more than a city. It's a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Are you ready to delve into the heart of the Big Apple and discover the stories that make New York City a legendary metropolis? Join us on this captivating journey through time and marvel at the wonders that await in this iconic city. Top 10 best places to visit in New York City. 1. The Metropolitan Museum of Art. Venture into the Met, the United States' largest art museum, and a global icon in its own right. Boasting an expansive collection that chronicles over 5,000 years of art from around the world, the Met stands as a pivotal cornerstone of New York City's cultural landscape. Enhance your visit by dining at the Great Hall balcony, cafe and bar, or the dining room at the Met, where you can savor culinary delights amidst an artful setting. 2. The National 9/11 Memorial and Museum. Pay homage to the resilience of the human spirit at the National 9/11 Memorial and Museum. Located at the site of the former World Trade Center, this poignant museum narrates the events of September 11, 2001 through a deeply moving collection of artifacts, imagery, and personal stories. Within its sacred walls, visitors are invited to reflect upon the profound impact of that day, honoring the memory of those who were lost and celebrating the undying strength of those who survived. The museum's thoughtful exhibits in the solemn stillness of the reflecting pools serve as a powerful reminder of our capacity to come together in the face of unimaginable adversity. Don't miss the Survivor Tree, a symbol of enduring strength and rebirth amidst tragedy, standing resiliently on the grounds. Its presence is a testament to survival, healing, and the relentless spirit of New York City itself. A visit to the National 9/11 Memorial and Museum is not just an act of remembrance, but a journey through the heartache and heroism that defines our shared humanity. 3. Top of the Rock. Experience New York City in all its panoramic glory from the Top of the Rock observation deck at Rockefeller Center. This vantage point offers unrivaled views of the city's skyline, making it a must-visit for anyone seeking to capture the essence of New York. The journey to the top is complemented by fascinating exhibits like the Mezzanine exhibit, the Radiance Wall, and the interactive Beam Walk. 4. Empire State Building. No visit to New York is complete without ascending the Empire State Building, a cultural and architectural marvel that once held the title of the world's tallest building. Journey to its famed observatories for a bird's-eye view of the cityscape, and let the magnitude of this iconic structure take your breath away. Standing majestically above the heart of Manhattan, this towering beacon has been a symbol of ambition and dream since its completion in 1931. Beyond its breathtaking views, the Empire State Building offers an immersive experience that includes historical exhibits detailing its construction during the Great Depression and its significance in popular culture. As night falls, watch the building illuminate the skyline with its dynamic lighting, celebrating holidays, events, and achievements that resonate around the world. The Empire State Building isn't just a skyscraper, it's a testament to human ingenuity and a must-see monument that epitomizes the spirit of New York City. 5. Ellis Island Immigration Museum and Statue of Liberty. Delve into the narrative of American immigration at the Ellis Island Immigration Museum. Through engaging audio tours and exhibits, uncover the stories of the millions who entered the United States in search of a new beginning. Each exhibit breathes life into the hopes, dreams, and challenges faced by immigrants as they stepped onto American soil, offering a profound connection to the diverse fabric of the nation. A visit to the nearby Statue of Liberty, a towering symbol of freedom and democracy, is essential for any traveler exploring New York City. Standing as a welcoming beacon to those arriving by sea, Lady Liberty embodies the ideals and promise of America. Ensure to book your tickets in advance to access the pedestal and crown, enhancing your experience of this iconic monument. The panoramic views from the crown offer a unique perspective on the city and harbor, symbolizing the journey of countless individuals who have shaped the history and culture of the United States. Together, Ellis Island and the Statue of Liberty provide a powerful testament to the enduring spirit of American liberty and the unyielding search for a better life. 6. American Museum of Natural History. Explore the wonders of the natural world at the American Museum of Natural History, one of the largest museums globally. Located on the Upper West Side of Manhattan, this museum offers an extensive array of exhibits that span biodiversity, human history, and the cosmos. Highlights include the Rose Center for Earth and Space and the renowned fossil halls. 7. Guggenheim Museum. A stone's throw away on the Upper East Side, the Guggenheim Museum is not just an art museum, it's an architectural marvel designed by Frank Lloyd Wright. Its unique spiral structure is home to an impressive collection of modern and contemporary art, including works by Picasso, Kandinsky, and Gauguin. Join public tours to explore its architecture, and don't forget to visit the online store for exclusive memorabilia. Since its opening in 1959, the Guggenheim has captivated visitors not only with its groundbreaking exhibitions, but also with its revolutionary design, which allows guests to experience the artwork in a continuous flow along its helical ramp. The museum's dedication to showcasing innovative artists and fostering an appreciation for the avant-garde has made it a pivotal cultural landmark. People visit not just to see the art, but to immerse themselves in a space where art and architecture intertwine seamlessly, creating an unforgettable experience. The Guggenheim's rich history and its role in transforming the art world continue to inspire art enthusiasts, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to delve deeper into the evolution of modern art. 8. Theater District. Immerse yourself in the vibrant art scene of New York City's Theater District. This bustling area is home to the legendary Broadway theaters and a myriad of dining options. Whether you're catching a groundbreaking Broadway show or exploring the culinary delights, the Theater District offers a slice of New York's best in entertainment and dining. 9. Brooklyn Bridge. Marvel at the architectural brilliance of the Brooklyn Bridge, an enduring symbol of innovation and perseverance. Spanning the East River, this iconic bridge's construction is a tale of triumph over adversity, having taken 14 years to complete. Opened to the public in 1883, it was the first steel wire suspension bridge in the world, a marvel of its time. Today, it stands as a vital artery for New Yorkers and a must-visit landmark for its historical significance and stunning views. Visitors are drawn to its grandeur, walking across its promenade to experience breathtaking panoramas of Manhattan and Brooklyn. Its storied past, including tales of the Roebling family, who played a crucial role in its construction, adds to the allure, making the Brooklyn Bridge not just a feat of engineering, but a pivotal chapter in New York City's narrative. 10. St. Patrick's Cathedral. St. Patrick's Cathedral offers a sanctuary of tranquility and architectural beauty amidst the hustle and bustle of New York City. This neo-Gothic masterpiece accommodates 3,000 people and features soaring spires and a pietà that rivals Michelangelo's in scale. A visit here is a must for lovers of history and architecture, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of New York's cultural and religious heritage. Before you embark on your next grand adventure, pause for a moment to discover our carefully curated collection of travel essentials, top-rated hotel accommodations, and the most affordable flight options designed to make your journey unforgettable. Dive into our exclusive selection, conveniently located in the video description below. If this video has enlightened your travel planning process, we'd be thrilled if you could show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement fuels our passion for sharing more invaluable insights. Thank you for tuning in and making us a part of your travel story.